Replacing the windows in your Glendale home is a significant investment that can enhance its appearance, energy efficiency, and overall value. However, with so many options available, choosing the right replacement windows can feel overwhelming. To help you make an informed decision, here's a comprehensive guide to selecting the best replacement windows for your home. Assess your home's needs before diving into window options. Evaluate your specific needs and priorities. Ask yourself these questions. Energy efficiency. Are you looking to reduce energy bills in Glendale's hot summers and cooler winters? Style. Do you want to update your home's look or match its existing architecture? Functionality. Are your current windows difficult to open, close, or clean? Maintenance. How much time do you want to spend maintaining your windows? Understanding your goals will help you narrow down the best options for your home. Prioritize energy efficiency. Glendale's climate, with its hot summers, makes energy efficiency a top concern. Energy-efficient windows can reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and lowering energy bills. Look for the following features. Low E glass. This coating reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to pass through. Double or triple panes. Multi-pane windows provide better insulation than single-pane options. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes enhances thermal performance. Energy Star certification. Choose windows with the Energy Star label to ensure efficiency and performance. Investing in energy-efficient windows not only saves money but also increases your home's comfort year-round. Choose the right frame material. The material of your window frames affects durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Common frame materials include vinyl, affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Vinyl frames resist warping and don't require painting, making them ideal for Glendale's sunny climate. Wood offers a classic, natural look with excellent insulation. However, wood frames require regular maintenance to protect against rot and weathering. Aluminum. Lightweight and strong, but less energy efficient than other materials. Aluminum is a good choice for modern homes or areas where durability is a priority. Fiberglass. Highly durable and energy efficient, fiberglass frames mimic the appearance of wood but require minimal maintenance. Consider the material's appearance, durability, and upkeep requirements when choosing a frame for your replacement windows. Select a window style that matches your home. The style of your replacement windows can significantly impact your home's curb appeal and functionality. Common window styles include double-hung windows, a traditional option with two sashes that slide up and down. They're versatile and easy to clean. Casement windows. Hinged on one side and open outward, casement windows offer excellent ventilation and a modern look. Sliding windows. Ideal for wide openings, these windows glide horizontally and are easy to operate. Picture windows. Large, fixed-pane windows that provide expansive views and natural light, perfect for Glendale's scenic surroundings. Bay or bow windows. Create a dramatic focal point and add extra interior space with their outward protruding design. Choose a style that complements your home's architecture while meeting your functional needs. Consider glass options for performance and comfort. Modern windows offer a variety of glass options to improve performance. Tempered glass, stronger and safer than standard glass, shattering into small, less harmful pieces. Tinted glass reduces glare and heat gain, particularly useful in sunny areas like Glendale. Soundproof glass, ideal if you live near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods. Privacy glass, frosted or textured glass options provide privacy without blocking light. Discuss these options with your window provider to find the best fit for your needs. Budget for quality and longevity. While budget is a critical factor, it's important to prioritize quality and durability. Cheaper windows may save you money up front but can lead to higher energy bills and more frequent replacements. Consider the long-term benefits of investing in high-quality windows that last for decades and require minimal maintenance. Work with a reputable window installer. The quality of your window installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Poor installation can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Look for a licensed, experienced window contractor in Glendale who offers free consultations and accurate measurements. A wide selection of high-quality windows. Transparent pricing and warranties for both products and labor. Reading customer reviews and checking references can help you choose a trustworthy professional for your window replacement project. Factor in local building codes and climate. Replacement windows must comply with local building codes and be suited to Glendale's climate. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and can guide you in selecting windows that meet all necessary standards. Conclusion. Choosing the best replacement windows for your Glendale home involves balancing style, energy efficiency, functionality, and budget. By assessing your needs, selecting quality materials, and working with a trusted installer, you can make a decision that enhances your home's comfort, value, and curb appeal. Don't rush the process. Take the time to explore your options and consult with a professional to ensure your replacement windows are the perfect fit for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy years of beauty, energy savings, and satisfaction.